Friends, I am Pranita Sheshni. Today I am here to discuss the technical topic. In that today we going to discuss the pharmacovigilance global guidelines. Pharmacovigilance is the science and activities associated with the detecting, assessing, understanding, and preventing the adverse effects or any other drug-related problems to ensure the patient safety and drug efficacy. Numerous global guidelines have been established for the pharmacovigilance. Here is a detailed overview of the some of the most important guidelines. International Council for the Harmonization of Technical Requirement for the Pharmaceutical for Human Use. In that, let's discuss ICHE2E, pharmacovigilance planning. This guideline addresses the planning and complementation of pharmacovigilance systems, especially during the post approval phase. It encourages a risk assessment, categorization of adverse effects, and post marketing risk management. Then, next is the ICHE2A, and that is the clinical safety data management. It focuses on the principles for managing the clinical safety data, such as the expedited reporting of serious adverse events that occur during the clinical trials. Next, that is the ICHE2B, that is the data elements for the electronic submission. And the next is the in that it includes the these guidelines standardizes for the format and the content of the electronic safety reports, facilitating the global communication of safety information. The next, that is the ICHE2D, post approval safety data management. It includes this guideline provides the guidelines for the managing safety information during the post-approval phase, and specifies the types of the information to be reported, including the spontaneous adverse event reports. The next, that is the WHO Global Manual on the Surveillance. This manual offers the technical guidelines on the practical aspects of the setting up, managing, and evaluating the pharmacovigilance systems, especially in developing countries. Next, that is the WHO Uppsala Monitoring Center, that is the UMC. UMC is a WHO collaborating center for the international drug monitoring. It is responsible for collecting, analyzing, and evaluating global safety data through the WICH-based database. Next, that is the European Medicines Agency, that is the EMA guidelines. It includes the good pharmacovigilance practices, that is the GVP. It includes the EMA has established a comprehensive set of guidelines known as GVP modules. These include the detailed guideline on the safety, data collection, processing, analysis, risk minimization, and periodic safety update report, that is PSURs. Risk Management Plan, that is RMPS. The EMA requires all pharmaceutical companies to submit a risk management plan for a new drugs, detailing the potential risks and the strategies to minimize them. RMP are a crucial aspect of proactive pharmacovigilance. Then next is the United States Food and Drug Administration, that is the FDA guidelines. It includes the FDA post marketing requirements. The FDA requires the pharmaceutical companies to submit adverse event report for drugs that are already on the market. These reports help in identifying potential safety issues that were not evident during the clinical trials. The next, that is the FDA adverse event reporting system, that is the FARS. The FARS database is designed to support the FDA's post-marketing safety surveillance program. This system tracks the adverse event and medication errors reported by the healthcare professionals and the patients, the risk evaluation and the mitigation strategies, that is the REMS for the drugs with the next, that is the risk evaluation and the mitigation strategies for the drugs with the significant safety concerns. The FDA may require a REMS program to ensure that the benefits of a drug outweigh the risk. The next, that is the pharmacovigilance inspection and audits. The global regulatory authorities, including the FDA, EMA, and WHO, conduct regular pharmacovigilance inspection to ensure that the pharmaceuticals companies comply with the safety reporting requirements. Inspection and the audit focuses on the data integrity, ensuring that the adverse event data is accurately recorded, managed, and reported. The next, that is the risk minimizing the activities, assessing the effectiveness of the strategies implemented to the mitigated risk. I think it is clear to everyone what we see today. Learn today, that is pharmacovigilance global guidelines in the pharmacovigilance. Thank you friends for listening me today. Thank you again.